Are you a recent college graduate wondering what to do next? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share some job hunting strategies and money management tips to help you find your path after graduation. First things first, it's important to stay positive and motivated throughout your job search. Take advantage of online resources like job boards, company websites, and professional networking platforms. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each application to make a strong impression. Remember, job hunting can take time, so don't get discouraged if you face rejection. Use this opportunity to fine-tune your skills and consider internships or freelancing to gain more experience in your field. Keep networking and attending career fairs to increase your chances of landing a job. Now let's talk about money management. As an entry-level graduate, it's crucial to create a budget. Assess your income and track your expenses to develop a realistic financial plan. Prioritize your needs over wants and cut back on unnecessary expenses. While job hunting, consider part-time or freelance work to generate income. This can help cover your basic expenses and reduce the need for dipping into your savings. Saving is essential for future goals like paying off student loans, investing, or even planning for your dream vacation. Remember, it's never too early to start saving for your retirement. Consider setting aside a small percentage of your income to build your nest egg. Explore different investment options that align with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. And there you have it, job hunting strategies and money management tips to help you navigate life after graduation. Stay focused, stay motivated, and don't forget to believe in yourself. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.